How's everyone doing? So I thought I'd do a quick little video on my destination Thailand visa, DTV. I applied through Soft Power and got accepted. I've now been here a couple of months, and I done the Thai cooking course and got accepted through that. Now I used Bangkok Thai Cooking School, as you can see by the title. Excellent school, to be honest with you. Really pleased that I used them. The services have been completely professional from beginning to where I'm at now. Absolutely amazing course so far, really enjoying it, learning loads of stuff. So basically, like everyone, done the e-visa system, applied online. Yes, like everyone else, I was at documents pending and then requested more documentation. The guys over at Bangkok Thai Cooking Academy had already sent me every bit of paperwork that I needed. I did not need to contact them regarding any paperwork after the first instance, and the deposit was paid. Very easy process, to be honest with you. Just made sure I sent in 6 months of statements because I had the money there anyway, so that's not an issue. So that was quite fine. Didn't ask for any more bank statements, didn't ask for any more photos to upload, anything like that. The only thing they asked for was more information on the school, which, as I say, I did have. It was just a case that I couldn't upload it because there was not enough file space on the initial application. So yeah, put all the documentation into one PDF, uploaded that, and I think the process took me, all in all, about it's probably about 9 days from the UK Thai embassy. So really easy process, to be honest with you. If you've got all your documents in order, you're not going to have any issues, to be honest. Got accepted, flew into Suvarnabhumi airport, no questions asked, all good, all happy. So yeah, I can highly recommend Bangkok Thai Cooking Academy in Onnut. Great school, to be honest with you. Chef Nat is absolutely brilliant. He's he's been helping me out no end, because quite honestly I jumped in at the deep end on this, and he's been absolutely great. He's a great teacher, he knows his stuff, he's worked at some amazing places. So if you get the opportunity to learn to cook with Chef Nat, then highly recommend it. Thank you to all the staff over at Bangkok Thai Cooking Academy. So yeah, if you do want to look at the DTV visa, and one of the soft power options is cooking, then definitely take a look at Bangkok Thai Cooking Academy. I've done the Pan Asian course, currently on it, so learning all different types of Asian food. So yeah, really enjoying it. Happy to be in Thailand. Any questions, just shout me in the comments. Take it easy, people.